update. Blizzard warning remains with us. We get these once or twice every 10 years. Doesn't happen very often. I think I've seen two of them, one back in '93 and this one, blizzard warnings. Of course, that one back in '78. That was a nasty situation. But it continues until 4 o'clock this afternoon. All around us are winter storm warnings. That's what we're used to dealing with, and that's pretty nasty weather, near blizzard conditions for the rest of the state as well. Well, let's start taking a look at what a blizzard actually is all about. Blizzards are about a couple of things. Very poor visibility, winds of 35 miles an hour that just continue, and all this stuff continues for a period of at least 3 hours. Blizzards in and of themselves don't have anything to do with heavy snow. That certainly complicates things. That makes the visibility bad. Blowing and drifting are an issue, but this is a dangerous situation because of the drifts out there. You can be driving along, and if your windows aren't absolutely clear, or even if they are, you can hit a snow drift that's deeper than you think it is. Now, here's Live Doppler 10 Storm Tracker, and there is no end to it in sight here in the immediate Franklin County area. We're just kind of socked in. But as we pull back and look to the southwest a little bit, beginning to see some gaps. Boy, do they need it in Fayette County, where they've been under that level 3 all morning. I did get an email from a person in Crawford County saying that they think they're at a level 3 as well, so we'll have to check on that. But at least 5 counties in our immediate vicinity that are level 3 snow emergencies. Crawford County may now be among them as well. We'll have to check on that and confirm it for you. But snow continues, ebbing just a little.
Hey, hello, hello, they know, hello, hello, they know, hello, hello, they know, hello, hello, they know, shout low, I got flavor, let you know, the kid got paper, like 40, don't say right, hey, been pulling caper. The way he drove, would've thought I had a taser. How we treat, like a razor. Shoutin' no ATL, I'm the mayor. Free nigga, but my gear be Taylor. Every day I did shoutin' Mike Rock Taylor. BMF, I got acre. Yeah, no more nosy ass neighbor. To all my haters.
The whole thing at one
I'm the man, you know that. I got cash, I'm talking so bad. 100 grand, what's that? I hit the club, and I blow that. All these hoes, no low that. I'm picture perfect, made a Kodak. Let's talk my neck, I got play now. Dope boys, let's get
Caught with straight shots and then pop bottles.
Yeah.
Flirt with the hood rats, then pop models.
Need
Caught with
that.
straight
like we always do at this time. I go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky.